At Crystal Clean, we carry out DBS checks on all of our employees prior to any work commencing on client site. We also obtain a minimum of 2 references from each potential employee. First 3 months, each individual member of staff goes through our Crystal Academy. This is a work-based programme that ensures that they understand each area of the business that they are working in and how to carry out their duties correctly.
Most manufacturers recommend carpets are professionally cleaned by a qualified technician every 12 to 18 months. Our machine lifts the pile and cleans deep down into the bottom of the pile. It is a state-of-the-art equipment and uses 90% less water than your regular machines.
We can do fogging, anti-bag, all your sprays, absolutely everything. Even if it's just for a little bit of advice, give me a call, drop me an email.
Health and safety is a vital point of what we do within the cleaning industry, and everything we do for our clients and everything that we do within their premises, health and safety comes into it and has to be questioned at all times. We have to do risk assessments, we have to provide colour coding, we have to be aware of the other risks that are within that building. So health and safety is extremely important in the way that we operate.
Now all the offices are empty, there's no dirty bins, no dirty microwaves. We get all the intricate detailing. It's a little bit sad as well because you're just there on your own and nobody to talk to. But you can get under all the desks, move all the wires, and just get a lot more done.
What we do is create specifications that are designed to reduce the risk to our clients, but also to our cleaners and the visitors that are on site.
I've reviewed all our chemicals. All our chemicals now have a disinfectant in them and a deodorizer. We sanitise all touch points every time they're on site. I like to give the clients advice on how to stay safe in the workplace and obviously keeping our own staff safe.